You got to say, Chico? What am I on here? Chico. Okay, you guys got to say hello now.
Here, Jeff, I'll give you that fish. You can
Hi.
fish.
Talking to Jason.
Hello.
Where are you?
What?
I said, where are you? Where's Kelsey? Can't find you. There you are.
Well, you make a phone call and tell the truth, well.
Oh, of course.
Truth's just as good as a lie, I guess.
Okay, here, you let me stand there. You go over there, and that way I'll have the lights behind me. Oh, that's better. Okay, Kelsey, talk to Jason. I'm going to take this out and give it to Jason. Tell him how old you are now, what grade you're in. How old are you? Are you 3? Are you 3? How old? 7. What grade are you in? 2. And who's your teacher?
Turn around and face the camera.
And who's your teacher? Oh, and where are you living now?
Ew.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Hey, get out of there, Chico.
Look at this.
2-pound rainbow.
Where'd you catch him?
Mercury Forks.
Hold him up sideways, Jeff. Grab his tail, too. Yeah, like that.
Then turn around so you can get the sideways to the camera. No.
There you go. All right, look at that. When are you going to eat him?
I'm going to eat them this afternoon. Me, Jeff, and Kelsey, and Ashley.
Put him on the barbecue?
Don't cut a barbecue.
Oh, don't you?
We're in the pan.
Look at that. Now, when I come back, Jason will... Oh, yeah, open him up.
Don't drop them on the floor. They'll be all hanging.
Especially if Chico gets him. Look at that. Holy jumping. Got a close-up on that.
Well, you're going to cook that today. I won't bother making the food today, will I? No, no bother.
All right. Now, where's the fisherman? We got to get the fisherman to hold him.
No, I already got that picture.
No. Look at that. Yeah, I heard. Well, you told me that.
You hold it, Dad.
Where's Ashley? Ah! I see the head coming up.
Come on, Ashley.
Come on, Ashley. You got to say hi to Jason. Here we go. Jeff, what do you got to say to Jason?
Give me a kiss, Jeff. Walk around and give him a kiss.
Get Ashley to give him a kiss.
Get up.
I got her. I got her. Okay, now what do you got to say to Jason?
Hi.
Come on. You got to say hi to Jason. Okay, Barb, we got to introduce you to Jason. Where's she? Look in the corner, too. Another one. Geez, everybody. This is Barb. Jason. What a bunch of sucks. Okay, Dad, you got something to say to Jason today?
No, not a thing. Tell him I got... I'm working in the garden.
You're working in the garden.
Yeah, my chives are up. Tell him you hope you got a haircut for now.
He had a haircut when he was home last time.
Did you? I thought you still did.
No, it was all chopped off. Shorter than yours. Here, we'll show him yours.
Oh, no, that's all right.
Oh, yeah, look, there we go.
A little joint. You want to try joint or what?
No, thanks. There's Ashley. Come on, Ashley, say hi to Jason.
How you getting?
You chicken shit.
Here, rewind it. Let me see.
Yeah, it's a window. Figure it out.